great minds. I hope you are doing great. Today I want to look at resources in Kali Linus. There are some resources that you need that will help you as a cybersecurity professional or system administrator using Kali Linus operating system to carry out your work. Kali Linus or Linus operating system have made things easy for us to actually navigate through. In case we are novice or in case we are confused, we can actually use all these resources to navigate our way through in using Kali Linus. Now, what we want to do now is to go back to your Kali. Now, please go back to your Kali. Okay, let's clear this. Now, assuming that let me go back. So, assuming that we don't know how to check the list of files that we have within a directory, and we don't even know anything about it, we can use man, or we want to know more about that command. So we can use a man. Man means manual. I want to go into the manual part of Kali Linus. I'll say man ls. Man ls means go to the manual part. So if you do man ls, you can see that it gave us more thing about ls. See ls minus a, ls minus capital A. Now this is the manual page of Kali Linus. So if you want, you can press Q on your keyboard to quit it. This is what you see. You say press H for help and Q for quit. If you press help, it will give you more help. This is what it gave you more help. Summary of less command. Say command marked with star may be preceded by a number n and so on and so forth. These are summary of forward and so on and so forth. So if you are finished, you can press return to actually for more. If you can press return for more or Q to quit. That's what it means. So if I press Q now, I quit the process, and then if I press Q, I also quit the manual page. So this is how you know more about let's say I reduce this. So you can see that as I reduce it, you see more minus A, minus B, minus capital B, minus C, and so on and so forth. So let me quit it. This is what it's saying. If I do only ls now, if I do only ls, it is what will give me. But if I do ls minus A, this is what it will give me. You can see that there's a difference between this and this. Minus A means review even a hidden file. You can see there's a hidden file. If I do ls minus capital A, you see it give you more details about. You can see another file here. So it gives more detail. If I do ls minus L, so you can see that it gave us more things. So this is what it means, that the man page actually give you more emphasis about a particular page. So that is what the man page, man is used for. Man, I can say man cat if I want to know more about the cat command, or I can say man anything. I can even say man. I can say man. I want to know more about the man command. I say man. It's giving more emphasis, more information about the man command itself. So whatever you want to know more about, you can use man to actually get to know more about that. So that's what the man is used for. Now you can also use what is. What is actually a command that is used to have a short brief description concerning a particular command. If I say what is ls, you tell me that ls is the list directory content. If I say what is cat, if I say what is cat, you tell me that cat is concatenate files and print on the standard output. If I say what is man, it will just only give us a definition of it. You say man is an interface to the system reference manual or a macro to format man page. So this is what is actually give us. Now another command you use to actually get more information about your command or about the system is apropos. If I say apropos, let's say add user. If I put apropos add users. So what apropos does is that I don't actually know the command to use to add users, but I use apropos, it will give me all the command that is needed to add the users to the system. You can see different command that is used to add and give us more emphasis. Look at here now. He gave us the command add user, add or manipulate user, and so on and so forth. So that is what apropos is actually used for, to give you more this, let's say, user. If I use, look at it here. So if I say apropos change users, maybe I want to change user, I can say apropos change users. I'll say change user. It will give me everything that has to do with change. You call the command that are that has to do with change users. It will give me that command here. So that is what the apropos is actually used for. So I can say apropos again, apropos check time. Let me clear the page first so that let me clear. Apropos check time. Check time. So everything has to do with time, sleep, everything has to do with time. It will also give you everything has to do with time. Look at it. It has to give you everything has to do with time. All the commands that are needed for that has to do with time, and so everything has to do with time. So adjust time. Look at it. Correct the time to synchronize the system clock. Check user permission for a file access, and so on and so forth. So this is what the apropos is actually used for. So the last one we'll look at is help. We have been using help for since, but for us to get it much better, help is to give you more information. A help, just as the name goes, to give you more information about the particular distance. So if I say ls/help, so it gives me more help, help on the file, on that particular command. Look at it, give me more info or more reference purpose on the particular command called help. So this is how all these things are called resources, are the system resources that help you to know more about the system itself. So thank you very much. Thank you. My name is Steven Godday Ocheme. I am a cybersecurity educator and ethical hacker. See you in our next class. Please don't forget to go through our previous class in order for you to understand what we are doing. Thank you.